Guys, today we are learning. Hello guys, today we are learning how to earn money from Survey Junkie. So let's start. Updating the money service is an easy way to earn extra cash while working from home, but is Survey Junkie working your time? Over the past 5 years, keep taking advantage of online service with websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Swagbucks to make money online is paytime. The pay is low, typically less than $1 per survey, but it can really add up if you quick stick with it. What is Survey Junkie and what is worth it? Survey Junkie is online survey platform that pays for sharing their opinions. Each survey is worth a certain number of points, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. We tested out Survey Junkie. See how compares to mTorque and Swagbucks. Here, that's what you need to know. Setting up account, getting started with Survey Junkie takes about 2 minutes. SurveyJunkie.com asks for the following pieces of personal information before you can create account. Zip number 2, country of residence. Number 3, date of birth. Number 4, gender. Number 5, first name. Number 6, last name. After signing up, immediately begin to fulfill the profile. SurveyJunkie says doing so will increase our chances of receiving more surveys with their higher rewards. That's because market research companies are looking for specific types of complete people love complete surveys. These profile questions ask things like whether I had a pet, what type of smartphone I use, where I show more certain products, and how much time spent to watch.
भाई गल सुने एक गल
Auto
और है
complete survey. Not long after answer choose
मोहित कह रहा वा
its
कि
profile
भाई मैंने
process.
पुੱਛ रहे
Survey
ਸੀਗੇ
Junkie began
ਉਹਨਾਂ
to
ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ
offer
ਦੱਸਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਨਾ ਦੱਸਾਂ
me paid survey opportunity from your account
ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ
dashboard. You
ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ
see
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲ ਆਈ ਹੈ
list
ਤਾਂ
of
ਪੁੱਛ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾ
available
ਯਾਸੀ ਭਾਈ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਅਬਦੁੱਲਾ ਭਾਈ
surveys
ਨੂੰ ਕਾਲ
before you
ਦੱਸਦਾ ਜਾਂ
click
ਨਾ ਦੱਸਾਂ
on one. You can see how many accounts earn and how long it take to complete the task, like a 10-minute
ਇਹ ਭਾਈ ਇਹ
survey for
ਇਹਦੀ
40
ਗੱਲ ਦਾ
minutes.
ਗੁੱਸਾ ਨਾ ਕਰਿਓ ਇਹ ਰਾਤ ਦੀ ਮੋਟੀਵੇਟ ਹੋ ਗਏ
Only a handful of surveys are available during any given time, which time
ਰਾਤ
limit,
ਦਾ ਨਾ
but
ਲੜੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਲੜੀ
potentially
ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ
Survey Junkie.
ਚਲੋ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਭਾਈ ਓਕੇ ਓਕੇ ਉਹ ਆਣਾ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਭਾਈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
Compared to MTech, I found that Survey Junkie has fewer surveys available to take longer to complete. Payless. Between profile questions, surveys I complete plenty time before finishing the minimum of when I last checked Survey Junkie. June 2020. The minimum redemption amount was to 5 happened a few times.